Our Lenten journey is coming to an end, and we're approaching that famous Sunday where we all have to endure the reading of the Passion. And you might wonder about this whole thing that we're celebrating as we come to this time of the season. Why is Jesus dying? Why did he have to die? They had to kill him, right? Is what we hear. But what's that all about? Well, it might be easy to get this confused, you see, because the Jewish leaders wanted Jesus dead. And we can follow the story through the Gospels, and we even see it unfold in the reading of the Passion, that this is what's going on. Jesus is dying, and it's because the leaders were so threatened by him. I mean, he was taking people away from them, and he was talking about stuff that was kind of outside their system of thinking, and he was a radical that was kind of bringing all these things about, right? He had to go. This guy had to go because he was just stirring up way too much controversy. So we can understand it from that perspective, and it would be easy to get confused that that's the only thing that's really going on. But it's far more important to understand that Jesus had to die because that's what the Father planned. This was the plan that God came up with to save us. This is how he was going to redeem us and restore us in relationship with himself. He sent himself here in the form of a son to take on the weight of sin and the punishment for sin, and to die, to lay down his life so that we could be healed. He had to die because that's how the Father set it up. That was his plan. I don't get it. I don't understand it. It doesn't make sense to me. It's not a plan I would have come up with. But it'd be easy to get confused and think that this was somehow God's adaptation. You know, this was plan B. He sent Jesus here, and if people would have responded to him, then maybe he could have saved them a different way. No, this is the way God planned it from the beginning. He sent himself here in the form of a son, and he had to die to save us.